Everyone. Today our group is going to present our Harbor Fresh Foods project using Odoo ERP. Harbor Fresh Food is a small to medium-sized company that produces 5 different fresh chilled ready meals. We use Odoo to manage the company's purchasing, inventory, manufacturing, quality, sales, accounting, employees, payroll, and online store. These are the Odoo dashboard, and we download the accounting apps, database apps, documents, websites, inventory, purchase, employees, payrolls, settings, and so on. Uh, First of all, we need to create the vendors. So we need to go to the web purchase. Yeah. Uh, After purchase, we need to go to the to create the vendors. These are the vendors. Vendors are the suppliers who sell the products. You can go inside and you can see the details of the vendors. Is the customer is the company names. Choice Foods Thailand Limited. And this is the the mobile number, and this one is the address. After that, After that, we need to go to request for quotation. You can see the details about the everything. Everything you can see the Greenfield Produce Private Limited and the Carrot Dash is product by this company. After that, purchase orders. These are the company's purchase orders. You can see the details, which is payment terms is 15 days and currency is the Australian. The name of the vendor is the Greenfield Produce Private Limited. Now I create here some products. These these are the products and the sellings products. These are the products we sell by the vendors. Broccoli flores, canola, oil, carrot, dice. We check the company purchase information and total purchasing costs. This helps HarborFresh understand how many money it is spending on ingredients and packaging. I create the sales products. Sales products. Yeah, you can see the details of the all the ingredients of the beef curry and the rice. Rice. Yeah, it helps the harbors fresh understand how many spending on ingredients and the packagings. This is from my side. Now is my next friend's turn.
Hello guys, my name is MD Abdul Ahad Shahab. I'll be talking about the task, recipes and bills of materials. Can you please click on the manufacturing, please? So here I'm showing how I created the bill of materials for our beef. Can you please click on the products? Yeah, the first one. Yep. So here I'm showing how I have created the bill of materials for our beef la, for our beef lasagna 400 gram in Odoo. The main idea is basically to tell Odoo what we need to make one beef lasagna. I added all the important materials like beef, tomato sauce, and so on. One key thing is here is the quantity because each in ingredients needs the correct amount for instead of keeping the recipe separately. Odoo keeps everything together. This is really useful because we can easily see are the what are the materials we need and how much we need it for. And next, can you please click on the contacts, please? Just click on the any of them. Yep. So here I'm showing how I used Odoo contacts to manage our business contacts. The main point is that we can keep suppliers and business partners in one organized system. For example, I added the ABN numbers and all the important details. I also added the company name as as another business contact. The contact list gives us a quick overview. Each company has its own profile. This is the important because accurate contact records make communication and purchasing much easier. Can you please click on the accounting now? Yeah. Yep. Customers, invoice. Yeah. So here, just click on the calls group. The first one. Yeah. So here, I'm showing the accounting and invoicing process in Odoo. The first thing, the accounting dashboard gives us a quick view of sales, invoices, payments, and so on. The invoice list helps us easily track different customers' amounts and due dates. And for example, the invoice was created for Coles Group. A key point is that Odoo automatically calculates the price, GST, and the final total. Once the invoice is created, we can send it directly to the customers. And that's it from my side. I will pass it to the him, Shariar. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I'm Shahriar Him. Now I'm going to explain task 10, 11 and 12 of our Harbor Fresh Order project. So like at first, I'll show task 10, which is Harbor Fresh Payments and Expense. Can you please open accounting? First, I go to accounting applications. Then I go to Can you go to customers? Then I'll go to like payments. Here we can see the payments records that we created in Odoo. Now I go to payments date, and we can go to like, now can we go to payment date? We can go to August. Basically we created those payments in August. Now we can see the payments of August. Here we can see information of payment date, payment number, and partner amount and payment status. Open one payment. One. If I want open one payment, we can see more details about partner amount, date, journal, and the payment method. This is useful because Harbor Fresh can keep its payment and expense or information organized in one system. It also helps the company understand where it money is being spent. That's all. Can you go to now? I'll go to task 11. I will move to task 11, which is profit and loss report. Can you go to accounting again? From the accounting application, I go to reporting. Can you go to report? Then can you go to like profit and loss? Yeah, here we can see our profit and loss report. This report shows the company its income and expense of particular period. This basically idea is simple. Profit equals revenues minus expense. So the report helps HarborFresh understand whether the business is making profit or a loss. Management can also see the information for building, controlling cost, and making better financial decision. Now I'll explain my final part. That one is task 12, which is employee management. Can you go to home and auto home and go to employees? Yeah, here I can see the employees that we added or have fresh. Auto allows HarborFresh to keep employee information in one central system. For example, if I open one employee, can you open one employee? We can see information such as employee's name, job position, department, and work details. This make it easier for HarborFresh to manage its employees because all of information storage in one place. The employee information can also used by later contracts and payroll processing. This task shows how Auto can manage and business activity in one integrated ERP system. Thank you, and that's all for me. And now I'll pass to my friend Supreme.
Hello everyone, this is Supreme Vishwakarma and today I will be presenting tasks 13, 14 and 15 of our HarborFresh Food Auto ERP implementation. These tasks focus on employee contracts and payroll pay slips and the development of the HarborFresh e-commerce website. First, on task 13, can we go to payroll? Yeah. Yeah. So in order I created employee contracts containing important information such as salary and remuneration details. The contracts provide the information required for the payroll process. The payroll process follows a clear sequence: employee contract, work and salary information, pay run, pay slip, and finally accounting. Pay run. So, so before So before creating pay slips, we first needed to set up the pay run. This allows Odoo to process employee salary information systematically. By integrating payroll into the ERP system, HarborFresh can reduce manual calculations and make employee payments more organized and efficient. And another important advantage is the connection between payroll and accounting. Payroll expenses can be linked with financial reporting, which gives management better visibility of the company's labor costs. And moving to task 14, this focuses on creating pay slips for all employees. Can you show the of one person? Yeah, just click on one. Yeah. So after setting up the employee records and contracts, we created a parent and generated payslips for the HarborFresh employees. The payslips automatically use information from the employee contract. They include details such as the employee's information, pay period, salary amount, and payroll calculations. And this provides employees with clear documentation of their earnings and improves transparency. It also reduces the need to maintain separate payroll spreadsheets because the information is stored and managed within Odoo. Therefore, Task 14 demonstrates how Odoo can make payroll administration more accurate, organized, and efficient. Now, let's go to Task 15, which focuses on the HarborFresh e-commerce website. So, yeah. Using the Odoo website and e-commerce applications, we create an online store where customers can view and purchase Harbor Fresh chilled-ready meals. The website includes products such as beef curry and rice, beef lasagne, chicken fried rice, chicken pasta bake, and veggie stir fry. This one is fresh ready meals, and each product page provides useful information, including the product description, image, price, allergens, and safe life information. Customers can also create an account, add product to their shopping cart, and place orders online. The major benefit is that the e-commerce system is integrated with sales and inventory. This means product information can remain consistent across different parts of the ERP system and reduces duplicate data entry. Most importantly, the website provides HarborFresh with a new digital sales channel. It can expand the company's market reach, make purchasing more convenient for customers, and support future business growth. To conclude, tasks 13, 14, and 15 demonstrate how Odoo supports both internal operations and customer facing activities. So that was my part.